Hi, I am Ananya Saxena and I'm part of batch 2 of Digital Deepak internship program. So many people have approached me with the very similar sort of queries. So I thought of uh, coming up with a proper review which can help the students or the people who are actually aspiring to be a part of batch 3 of the internship program. So this is a very unique sort of internship program that Deepak sir has thought of. And so I have certain questions with me which most of the people have asked. So I'm up with my diary. So this is the same diary that I use for my notes purposes. All through the journey of this batch 2 of internship program. So the first question was like, what exactly will be covered? So for that, see, this is a very unique internship program. Yes, you will be paying. That means you will be investing amount, and that is certainly less than the amount that batch two students invested. But you are investing in something that you will be getting back. So this internship program is basically learn and earn. You will be learning and he will be paying you to if you have learned it completely, if you have completed the assignments, he will be returning you the money per assignment. So just hold on, I'll get you through that. What exactly will be covered is like assignment number 1 was based on the marketing basics that he taught us in our live webinar. And after that, we always have a question and answer session which is live with the Pixel Track team. And in there, whatever queries we have, we ask, and they in fact they just help us so well in a live session that there is nothing left for you to worry about it, how the assignments will be completed. So full support is there on that behalf, on that note. So assignment number 1 would be about the marketing basics. Number 2 would be about how you can build your customer avatar, and that you will learn via creating your own surveys, going through them and every other thing. Assignment number 3 would be related to copywriting and how you can create a better sales copy. If most of us were like unaware about what a sales copy is even, so still we got to learn something, we implemented it, we completed our assignments on time, we got our payments. And alongside one perk of this internship is that you also get the bonus amount. Like if you are in the top 100 students of this internship program, in every assignment they will be giving you a rank chart. If you are in the top 100, you will be getting a bonus amount as well. So it's not just that you are investing an amount. Say you are investing 10,000, you will be getting back the 10,000 with each assignment. Say assignment number 1 is of 1,000 rupees, so you will be getting 1,000 back after completion of assignment number 1. But alongside, you will be getting a bonus amount if you are in the top 100, right? So next is assignment number 4. You will be building your own website. The most exciting part, the most you could say, you having your own website is like many people. I will tell you my own story. Like I was someone who was daydreaming that okay, I will create my website. I want to since 4 to 5 years passed by. I did my job, I did my studies and everything, but time was lost. And with this internship program, when there is a pressure of your mentor like Deepak sir, and you just created your own website, that is assignment number 4. Basically, you will be creating your website, you will be learning about the plugins, the themes, everything, the customization, how to publish your own blog on that. And after that, assignment number 5 is about lead generation and automation. So marketing automation is a really important part of digital marketing nowadays. So you will be learning about that, and not just learning, you will be implementing. So it is like you will be given an assignment, you have to do it, and for doing it, you have to learn it first, right? Number 6 would be for running the Google ads and the Facebook ads, another important thing of digital marketing. And this you will be learning by running the live campaigns. So it is not like a fun activity or anything, or a movie going on in here that you will be watching a movie and the movie is over. after watching the recording, you will be going through the question and answer session. You will be given a recording as well. Go through it. You so even shared n number of free courses with us that we were supposed to complete if you want to actually do the best of your assignments. And assignment number 7 is about advanced digital marketing, wherein you will be learning about the conversion rate optimization. So that was it about the things which will be covered. So it will be like A to Z of complete digital marketing, and you will be learning it from the expert, right? Digital Deepak. So next question that most of the people are asking is how the course flow goes. So the course flow is like 1 week, 1 assignment. So every week there will be a video recording that you have to listen to. Then there will be a live question and answer session. And after that, definitely you will be getting the recordings of each and everything. And then you will be given an assignment. You have to complete it to get the payment. And if you come in the top 100, you will be getting the bonus. Apart from that, there is like 24/7 running Facebook group, which is a secret group for every single batch, and in there are the moderators from batch 1, batch 2 as well. So like batch 1 students have helped us a lot, and I'm really thankful to the batch 1 students. And apart from that, so we'll be there, batch 2 students will be there to help the batch 3 students for sure. And next question is like any prerequisite is required or not. So someone has asked me like if I'm not having a blog or anything, I'm totally a newbie. So that's okay. So you are a newbie, but if you are holding that passion to learn digital marketing and do something on your own, if you want to be an action taker, this internship is just meant for you. So I would just recommend that you just join it, learn it, implement, do the things, and be the person you want to be. So there is always a aha moment in this internship for every single intern. My aha moment was when I conducted I hosted a webinar. So you will be getting opportunities, hell lot of opportunities. It is you that you have to make the best use of it. But it's not like you are going through a number of YouTube videos and everything and you're not able to implement anything. This internship concept is for those who want to actually implement the things by learning, not just learning, right? So because there will be a pressure from your mentor that if you have to complete this particular assignment, for completing the assignment you have to go through the learnings, and then you have to implement and complete the assignment to get the payment done, the payment which you have invested, and alongside get a bonus reward as well, and much more opportunity. So just give your best in this internship if you are planning to join batch 3 of the internship. Next question is, should I keep a blog ready or should I start writing? See, writing is like, you can start writing, definitely. No one is stopping you to do that. But for a blog, I would say that when you have not created a blog of your own till yet, wait till assignment number 4. That will be for building your own website, your own blog. Start blogging in there. But if you want to keep some of the articles ready, some articles, just keep them in your documents so that whenever you need them you can actually use them in your blog as well. So that's not a necessity, it's your wish. If you want to write, you can keep it handy, right? Next question is that should I start writing? That is done. Okay, next is, after this internship will I be in a position to work as a freelancer? So the answer is yes, you will be in a position to work as a freelancer. Not just a freelancer, there are so many students of batch 1 who have started their own entrepreneurship journey. They have opened their agencies, some in their own niches, like some are doing the content writing workshops, some are doing great marketing agencies and many other stuff. So there is no limit to it. If you are completing the assignments, if you are diligently following what Deepak sir says, and all the question and answer sessions, all the implementation part, if you are following it in just you could say by assignment number 3, I was like, wow man, I got my payments done after assignment number 3, and when I got back the investment amount, I was like, cool man, I made a great decision, because I was a person who could have joined batch 1. So due to prior commitments to job and every other thing, I was like, okay, I'll see to the next batch. That was a mistake, because I missed out the opportunity to join batch 1, and that made me late by 3 months. So it's like in 7 to 8 weeks of time, if you are able to run your own agency or something, if you are able to get the clients on your own, if you're able to become a freelancer, and if you can say yourself that okay, today now I can say I know A to Z of digital marketing, and now I am a digital marketer. So what bigger than that? Learning from the expert like Deepak Kanakuraju sir, right? So this is it. And one more question was there, that any job opportunities. So see, obviously this is not a internship program wherein you get referrals or something, but you will be able to make your own clients, you will be on your own feet, so you will be independent, and that is the bigger part, right? So, and apart from that, what else? Any other question or queries, if there are, you may reach out to me on Facebook or on WhatsApp number. I'll mention it in the description. But do it guys, make a decision, and what you have to do is simply join the internship program, invest a money that you will be getting 100% back if you are completing your assignments. It's like you are getting live projects. You get the live projects, you complete them in time, you are learning on the side. What else? You are actually getting the payment for learning. So that's awesome, right? So do it and learn it, implement it, and batch 2 students will be there to help you. There will be a 24/7 running Facebook group as well, the secret one where you find all the like-minded people. That's the best part. So anything else, just let me know, connect with me. I'm Ananya Saxena. That's it. See you.